good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, and y'all know what time it is, man. We got Shiba Inu really giving us some signs right now that things are about to get serious. Now, we're going to break down some technical analysis, and I also want to check out this article real quick. The top 5,000 Ethereum whales are currently holding 650 plus million SHIB. So think about that. These wise investors, to get to that point, you have to have some type of, financial wisdom. So these individuals are that confident holding, over $500 million in Shiba Inu. That's a sign for, us folk down down the street from them. But we got technicals also looking good on the chart for those of y'all that really care about the technicals. This is something y'all want to see. So if we take a look at Shiba Inu, right? We are on a day chart. Take a look at this pattern that we're forming here. Let me zoom in. Okay, so it looks a little better right now. Make sure y'all can see it. Okay. Now let's take a look at what do we see right here. We see a resistance point forming at around this 1548 level. We'll just put it right there. So around 1530, we'll say. Take a look at this U-shaped pattern here that we see. This is called a cup pattern. Now, when we see the cup forming like this, what we're looking for is this cup to form a handle. Right now, we are right in the completion phase of this handle. And another bullish thing about making this pattern, is it shows you potentially where the price can break out to. So let's take a look where the price is telling us that SHIB can likely break out to. So let's grab one of these real quick. And this is just a rough estimate, y'all. So keep that in mind as well. Just showing y'all how you can, use the same information to get an idea and have more confidence in your investments. So normally we can measure so this distance here is basically from the bottom of the cup to the top of the cup. So we measure from that distance, and then we take it and put it where the resistance point would be, and we expect, or we try to look for a breakout or measure one to this level right here. Now this tells us around that 2200 level. So basically Shiba Inu close to doubling price. Even if we go to the top of this little bubble here, that's around the 2300 level. So really close to Shiba Inu doubling in price. And then if we look for confirmation on that, let's take another. So let's put a line here, where this would basically fall. And we can see, if we look left in the chart, this shows previous support area before, right? It's a little above it, but if we go to about right here, so that 2100 level, so that's something you would want to be looking at. So this is telling us it could possibly break out to around the 2200 level, 23 level, depending on how bullish it is. And if we look left in the chart, we see support around this same area at that 21.5 level, 2145, 2150 level. And that's, you could put those two together to say, okay, I see the cup and handle pattern forming. I know that I can measure the breakout from the bottom of the cup to the top of the cup. This is how much, we could potentially get. If I look left in the chart also, I can see, a strong support area over here. And then you can use that to try to kind of guesstimate, where the price will break out to. Now, this is not financial advice. I could be completely wrong. Do not have a crystal ball here, just going from what I learned. And what I want you to think of, though, is if we do get Shiba Inu to break out to this level, how would you feel, knowing this information? So at this point, if Shiba Inu went to this level, would you wish you would have bought more? Would you, sell at this point? I just want y'all to get to thinking about y'all options, so that way you're prepared when this move happens. So I'm not telling you to buy, I don't want anybody saying this is, financial advice, but I want y'all to just, have the best opportunity to be able to make the most amount of money, instead of y'all waiting, for those that don't understand technical analysis, until the price is way in this area, and then y'all are chasing the green candles trying to buy at this level. Now, if that's what you want to do, that's perfectly fine, but I'm just telling y'all, this looks like a really good area to be grabbing some at this point. Now, we got another indicator we can use, which is our moving average. So let's grab the moving average, and then we're going to change this to a 200-day. The 200-day moving average is a very strong signal of bullishness. When the price breaks above that 200-day moving average, that's usually a sign that the market is basically in a rally, or it's in bull territory right now. So you see here around the 15th of January, once we broke above that 1100 level, we basically broke out of that range, tested it again. We tested the 200-day moving average. Notice how when the price broke above this level and it pulled back, let me zoom in a little more. Notice how when the price broke above this level and it pulled back, it stayed right on top of this 200-day moving average, because this is considered a support or a resistance area depending on where the price is trading from. So it broke above this, tested the 200-day moving average, found support, and continue and to complete that cut pattern. And now we're getting the handle pattern kind of forming, and that even stayed above the 200-day moving average. So I'm bullish on this right now. We potentially could get Shibarium on a surprise February 14th, Valentine's Day release date, but we did just get some news from Satoshi basically saying that there's no official date, so we can't jump out the window. Just be calm, y'all. I don't want anybody doing anything too crazy, but just be prepared for this type of movement if we see it, especially once we start seeing volume pick back up. But would you want to wait until then, or would you rather do what you have to do with this information now? So that's all I'm trying to say. We got RSI at a 54 right now, kind of in the middle, especially not oversold, not overbought, but really a lot of upside when we think about all the bullishness in the market possibly right now. CPI data, Shibarium potential release, the strength of the Sheep army, investors becoming exhausted with the crypto markets being down. So times are looking good. I'm expecting to see a nice little rally. Now I could be wrong. Price could absolutely fall and go the opposite direction, so keep that in mind. But if y'all are interested, I have 3 courses available: my technical analysis course, my stock options trading course, and my crypto 101 course. If you're interested in any one of those, email me decemberdemarco@gmail.com. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram @decemberdemarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.